create a recipe finder app that allows the user to tell the app what ingredients they have and then give the user simple recipes and directions on making it with those ingredients. Have the app list many everyday items found in the refrigerator, spice rack, and cupboards so the user can check boxes, but also allow the user to add more and show the added items. And as you can see, Claude is creating the app for me. And boom, there we go. So far looking great. So I'm going to check some of these boxes. As you can see, the selected ingredients are showing up below. Okay, we'll add a couple more. Bell peppers. Add some bananas. And then let's find some recipes. Look at that. Scrambled eggs, pasta with tomato sauce. That took about 3 minutes. This is crazy.